Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to import CSV file in Excel. Friends, as CSV file is the most preferred file format to transfer data. So if you want to import a CSV file in Excel, then you simply need to open a blank copy of Excel. Now I have opened Excel and my CSV file is on desktop. So I will import this file in Excel. Now in Excel you need to click on data. Now here click on from text. Here you need to select the file. As my file is on desktop, so I will open desktop. In desktop select the file. After selecting the file, click on import. Now text import visit will open and you need to set preferences. Now by default delimited is selected and you don't need to change it. Now click on next. Now here you need to select comma. Now your data is separated in columns. Now unselect tab and click on next. Now here you don't need to make any changes. Click on finish. Now to import data you need to click on OK. Now your data is pasted and you can make any design changes. So friends, like this you can very easily import your CSV file in Excel. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.